In this video I will show you which is the most effective slug killer and how to make a perfect slug trap. From the 20 rainy days in May I got a lot of slugs in my garden. Even the first night after planting my zucchini, they eaten up some leaves. So I needed a plan on how to get rid of them. My first reaction was to place some slug pellets around the raised beds that will kill any slug that comes by. But I saw that with lots of rain I needed to replant those pellets almost every second day. So I decided to investigate on what is the best and easiest way to kill slugs. By browsing throughout YouTube I found a simple beer trap that supposedly lures the slugs in a slug bar or something, where they get drunk and drown in beer. Looked easy to prepare, so I bought 2 traps, but they looked so simple to make, so I decided to make some on my own. I will show you how I did it later on. But all this time one question was running throughout my mind. Is the beer really better than the slug pellets? What if I just put the pellets in the slug trap instead of the beer? So I decided to test this out. As you can see, I prepared 4 different traps to test my hypothesis. 2 store-bought, 1 with pellets and 1 with beer. And 2 homemade, also 1 with pellets and 1 with beer. I placed them on the opposite side of the raised bed and waited for the slugs. After a night of rain and 1 day of wondering if the traps will work, I went in my garden to check the traps and see if I catch any slugs. So what do you think? Which will be the winner? Leave a comment down below to see who will predict it correctly. Let's check the bot trap first. The one with the beer had 3 slugs inside, and the one with the pellets just 2. So I would say they performed almost the same, but let's check the homemade traps to confirm this. The one with the pellets got only 1, but check this out. I couldn't believe on what I saw when I opened the trap. 10 slugs! This is more than all the rest combined. So now that you know which is the best trap, I will show you how to make one. All you need is a container with a lid on it, a pen and a sharp knife. You start by drawing the holes for the doors. You only need to mark the top, left and right line, because I don't need to cut the bottom one. Then you cut them, but be careful to not cut yourself. Then twist a little bit the plastic like I did it. And that's it, you have a perfect slime killing trap. Now you just need to pour some beer in it and relax, knowing that the slugs won't be a problem anymore. If you found the video interesting, share it with your friends and like it. It helps a lot. And if you want to see more interesting gardening content, subscribe to my channel to see a new video every Thursday. See you next week!